Before installing your RCS Gas Grill, please read the owner's manual. After removing the grill from the box and all accessories, check that no damage has occurred to the grill or any parts. Remove all packing materials, labels, and protective plastic film. When installing into a combustible cabinet, the grill must have a liner. It is recommended that 2 people lift the grill in place, making sure the electrical wire and gas flex line are out of the way. Connect your inlet cord and transformer wire together. Then plug this into your GFCI outlet. Turn on your LED and interior lights to make sure everything is working properly. Install your 3/8 flex from the grill to the propane hose and regulator. Then connect that to your propane bottle. Or if you have natural gas, connect to your gas supply line. Ensure that all knobs on the grill are off before turning on the propane. To ensure all fittings are securely tight, perform a leak test with soapy water. If the bubbles are present, tighten all areas and retest. Reassemble the components of your grill. For the safety and protection of your outdoor kitchen, vents are required every 4 feet.